In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the rings in Brainingcamp to show that two fractions are equivalent. So I'm going to click on Fraction Circles on my Manipulatives page. To add the rings to the page, I'm going to click on Workspace, and then I will select Rings. That will automatically add a ring that shows 8s around the outside of the ring. If I want to change that, I click on the ring, and then a blue slider appears. Let me move this down so you can see it. And I would use this slider to change the fractions that appear around the ring. So what I'm going to select depends on what I want to show. If I want to show, for example, that 1/5 is equivalent to 2/10, I could set my ring to tenths, and then I could use the fifth pieces inside the ring. I could also do it the other way around. I could set the ring to fifths and use the 10th pieces inside of the ring. So let's do it this way. To put a piece inside the ring, I'm going to click on it. You can also drag it over, like so, but you see that if I drag it over, it's not going to line up as nicely inside of the ring. So in that case, I would need to rotate the piece by clicking on it and then using the rotate option below. And it's sometimes a little bit tricky to get it to rotate correctly, but I'm going to rotate it to get it to land where I want it to land. So to show that 2/10 is equivalent to 1/5, I'm going to put two 1/10 pieces inside of the ring, and I have my fifths on the outside. And so this is showing that 2 1/10 is equivalent to 1/5. If I need to put another ring on the screen, I can do that by clicking on the ring that I have and then clicking on Copy. Putting more than one ring on the screen is probably going to be a little bit hard to fit, but it's probably possible also. Then I can adjust this ring if I want to by clicking on the slider. So again, the key idea with the rings is that you are showing that what is on the outside of the ring is equivalent to what is on the inside of the ring to show that your fractions are equivalent.